In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up self-email notifications in Typeform. To get started, open your form in Typeform so you're on the main editing screen. Once you're there, look for the settings area, which is usually marked with a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Typeform keeps many of the form-wide options, including notification settings. So it's the right place to begin if you want to receive emails whenever someone submits a response. After opening settings, find and select email notifications. This section controls who gets notified and how those notifications are sent. If you want Typeform to send a message directly to you or to another inbox, each time a form is completed, this is the option you'll use. Next, turn self-notifications on. You should see a toggle for this setting. When you switch it on, you're telling Typeform to automatically send an email notification after every new submission. This can be really useful if you want to stay on top of incoming responses without constantly checking your Typeform dashboard manually. Once self-notifications are enabled, move to the Recipients field. Here, enter the email address where you want the notifications to be delivered. Make sure the address is typed correctly, because even a small typo can prevent the notifications from reaching the right inbox. If this is going to a shared team inbox, it's also a good idea to confirm that the mailbox is active and monitored regularly. After that, customize the email body. This is where you can make the notification more useful by adding submission tags. These tags pull information from the form response and place it directly into the email. So instead of receiving a generic alert, you can instantly see important details from the submission. This helps save time and makes it easier to scan new entries without opening each response individually in Typeform. Take a moment to review the message content and make sure everything is clear and organized. A well-formatted notification can make a big difference, especially if your form receives frequent submissions. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. That final step applies your changes and activates the notification workflow. From that point on, Typeform will send a self-notification email